Wow. Just like that, the eyebrow got lifted. Hey guys, so we are back again to show you a live procedure for eyebrow lift. So I'm sure most of you really want to get a cat eye look or might be just some eyebrow lift. So today we are going to show you how to achieve that look flawlessly in just 10 to 15 minutes. So right now what Dr. Adarsh is doing, he's placing some threads for this patient for the eyebrows, and along with that we will be doing some Botox so that the results last longer. So we've applied numbing cream prior to the procedure. We have also injected local anesthesia, and right now Dr. Adarsh is placing the threads. We are going to be placing 2 threads on each side. So Dr. Adarsh, what exactly is this procedure? Who is the ideal candidate? What are the results and how long do they last?
Anyone can go for this eyebrow lift, and yes, definitely those who have uneven eyebrow level, they are the ideal candidate. Those who want enhancements in their full eyebrow position, like few people have a droopy upper eyelid, means कहने का है कि जो eyebrow है हम उसे कहीं से भी enhance कर सकते हैं, medial portion से भी enhance कर सकते हैं, ये जो आपका सेंटर नॉच है उससे भी इन्हेंस कर सकते हैं, इससे शार्प लुक आता है आईब्रो का, और जो कॉर्नर्स है वहाँ से हम इन्हेंस कर सकते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फॉक्स आई। जिन लोगों का आई छोटी हो जाती है तो उनके केस में भी हम आईब्रो लिफ्ट कर सकते हैं, और इंडिविजुअल प्रेफरेंस भी होती है, कुछ लोगों को जैसे शार्प लुक पसंद होता है, enhanced eyebrow.
Right. So guys, let me tell you that the thread that we are using right now is a mint PDO thread, which is the only US FDA approved thread that's available in the world. And the lasting of this thread is amazing and the pull is also amazing. अब ये दूसरी साइड डॉक्टर आदर्श ने देखिए, within a few seconds one thread has been placed and the other one also he is placing. So देखिए जिस तरीके से he has just placed these threads and now he will just lift just like that. It's done. अब दोनों साइड्स को बराबर करेंगे ताकि ऐसा ना हो कि एक साइड से थ्रेड ज़्यादा लिफ्टेड हो, दूसरी साइड से कम लिफ्टेड हो. This is completely painless procedure. Yes, you do feel a little bit of pinch or a sensation when we inject the local anesthesia. After that, you do not feel anything. Post procedure also, there can be slight amount of bruising, but as such, there is no pain.